Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Saint. Welcome back to my channel. If you were new, hey, thank you to all the new subscribers. I see you. I really appreciate the love. And for my returning subscribers, I rock with you. You rock with me. Thank you guys so much for your continued love and support. But I just wanted to bring you guys a simple hairstyle. It wasn't quick, but it was simple if you know how to cornrow. So basically I just did a straight back cornrow
or braid.
So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. I'll be trimming my own hair. I just did a blowout. So what I use to blow dry my hair, I just had washed my hair. You can check out my previous wash day routine, and I just have in the leave-in conditioner, and then I blow dried my hair. So I'll insert the footage right now.
So I'm blow drying my hair using the tension method. I'm first blow drying my hair using my hands as the tension, and then getting it to be about 50% dry, and then I'm going to detangle with the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and then I'm going to use that brush to add tension and then stretching my hair. So I'm going to be using the same process all throughout my hair. So when I'm finished, I'll come back and check with you once I'm finished.
Alright, so I'll begin to section my hair. And I don't really care for evenness. I wear my hair in usually twist out or wash and goes. I hardly wear it straight. So that's why I don't care for evenness. I'm just looking for split ends and so forth.
So this is not a good video to show you guys how I trim my hair. I'll make sure to include it in the cards. But I was out of frame most of the time, but I just wanted to show you guys that I did trim my hair. The last time I trimmed my hair, you guys saw that on camera, but I'm just basically trying to maintain the overall health of my hair by keeping up with the trims. I definitely need a more thorough and deep trim because I can see slight breakage in certain areas of my hair, but basically I'm going to be taking better care of those sections. But overall, I think my hair is in good condition. I just have just a little minor breakage in certain areas. And this is the first time I actually didn't trim a lot off. That's all. Now the hardest part to do is to put the scissors away. So I'm gonna actually be braiding my hair. I'm thinking to do some straight back cornrows. Maybe, maybe not. Let's think about it, and then let's try to execute it. All right, I'll check back in with you guys later. So of course I needed a break. My hands was already hurting from the blow drying process. So I just braided in these two cornrows just so my hair can maintain the tangle while it was still stretched. So right now I'm going in with the Melanin multi-use pure oil blend to oil my scalp, give it a little bit massage in preparation for these straight back braids, straight back cornrow, whatever you want to call it. So my styling product will be the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream for my moisture, and for a smoothing product instead of jam, I opted to use the N Beauty Edge Control. So first I'm going in with the Twist Elongating Style Cream and then a little bit of the Edge Control just to smooth out. And I just section off a section in the back to put 3 braids just to alleviate the tension on the nape of my head. I hate tension behind anywhere on my head. So if I feel tension, then I'm going to lose out the style like the next day or that same day. So I just did this just to alleviate some tension to the nape of my head. So this is how the back look, just 3 simple braids to the nape, and then I'm going to begin to pre-part my hair. This was the most difficult thing to do, just making sure it was even. One of the braids was slightly bigger than the rest, but it's okay. I did the best I could, but you want to make sure you take your time because this will determine the neatness of your style. So take your time to pre-part your section. That way you know if you have enough hair per braid. So I'm beginning on my first section. I detangle a little bit, then I'm applying the Twist Elongating Style Cream. So I'm using the N Beauty Edge Control just to pull out the perimeter edges so I won't be braiding those sections. I don't want any added tension to my already thinning edges, so I just pulled out those, and then later on we're gonna smooth them into a little swoop design. So now I basically apply some edge control along the perimeter of each braid, and then I'm beginning the braid going straight back. So I'm doing straight back braids, straight back cornrow, whatever you want to call it, but basically braids going straight back, and then I'm gonna be braiding all the way down to the ends. I didn't like the look. I think I should have twisted at the ends and then basically used that to get a thicker bun, but I think it still turned out cute. We're gonna keep going, but basically smoothing along the perimeter of each section with the edge control and then pulling out a little bit just to begin the cornrow in the front of our hair. And remember, you want to leave your edges out. Don't want to apply too much tension to your edges because those are the most fragile part of your hair. So I see the most breakage especially at my temple, so I'm being extra careful with those sections. And every night I make sure to, even though I smooth my edges when I'm going, which is going out, I make sure to apply oil to them every night. So I oil my edges, and that has been helping tremendously with the overall growth of my edges. And I know the clips are sped up, but I took my time and I braided just to make sure the braids were neat. So you have to worry about your parting being neat and your braid being neat. So basically they don't look like prison braids. They're actually nice and sleek. You can rock them going out. You don't have to, cover them with a wig or cover them with a headband. You can actually rock these. And I did add a little bit of spice to the end. So I didn't like how, so basically, I'll talk about it now. I didn't like how I did the outro. I think I need to film all of my outro out in the sun. If I could have filmed all my videos out in the sun to give you guys some good lighting, but I have to do with the best I gotta do. So I did get a clip, if you watch to the end, the next day, how it looked, basically how it looked in natural sunlight. So I'll be repeating the same process all throughout my hair, and I'll check back in with you guys later. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, leave me a sweet comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. So it's time to fix these edges. So I'm just using a little bit of the Got To Be glue, the one in the black container, just to smooth and hold my edges. And I didn't like how they turned out this day, but like I said, stay tuned to the end of the video. And the next day, I like them. So these are the finished result of my sleek straight back braids. I just add a little bit of beads to the end and then a little bit of the clips in random areas, did my makeup and so forth, but this is how they turned out. So I did eventually put it up into a bun, and I like this look a lot better. Like I say, I wish I twisted the end so I can get a little bit more thickness to the bun, but I still like the way how they turned out. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Alright, you guys, bye. And remember, you are beautiful and you are loved.